Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to password protect your Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, cloud. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to account security. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on change password. It's take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to enter your password. Then enter the new password. Confirm the password. Then click on save.